Hey guys, Berkeley Pro John Hoyer, and I want to clear the air on a topic that used to bother me, and that was people telling me I needed to use a certain hook. Well, I've kind of progressed in my fishing career far enough and hung out with enough successful anglers to realize that all those times those guys were telling me about what hook to buy, they were actually trying to help me. So I'm here to tell you that the Berkley Fusion 19 hook is definitely the sharpest hook I've ever found. This is my game day hook. When I'm fishing a tournament for, say, $100,000, I'm always switching out the hooks before I go fish for a lot of money. So one thing you'll see in a boat of a successful tournament angler is a box that's completely dedicated to hooks. In here I got all the different sizes of EWG trebles, the standard Fusion 19 trebles, and a lot of the octopus hooks also. And I will make sure that any bait that I'm using before a tournament has a hook switched out. They're razor sharp and they're ready to go. One thing I've realized about really successful tournament anglers versus ones that kind of finish middle of the pack is the guys on the top, they don't have a lot of stories about fish getting off, and I finally found out the little secret for myself, and that is how sharp your hooks are. So next time you're out fishing, pay attention to that old favorite crankbait that's in your tackle box with the rusty hooks. Throw some new ones on there, or if you're getting ready for a tournament, go over every bait that you're using and make sure it's got brand new Fusion 19 hooks on it.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.